My mom and dad long ago decided that they loved serving people and being hospitable, and this opportunity came around, and they opened the restaurant in 1979.
And ever since, Naifeh's Steakhouse in Guymon has been serving up dishes that have kept people coming back for over 4 decades.
It's good food and they do it right, and it's consistent. You can count on it. Anytime I come through the Panhandle, if I'm close to Guymon, I'm stopping in Naifeh's and having a steak.
We're in the Oklahoma Panhandle, so meat and taters, steaks, fries, chicken fries. My son hand makes those.
Even though they keep it fairly simple, the flavors are complex, influenced by their family's culture.
So we're Lebanese by heritage, so you can taste a little bit of that flavor in our food. He's first generation born in this country from Lebanon. My grandparents are immigrants, and my mother was too.
This really is a family affair.
So my mom and dad, Zeke and Dee Naifeh, they were the original operators, owners. My dad passed away in 1990. My mother and I continued with the business. And then it's been, I think, 20 years that my son Eric has come back. And now he's the manager and he's the operator of the place. Recipes have come from family recipes. I feel like my mom and dad did things one way, and they taught us some things. And my son has really taught me a lot too.
One menu item in particular has people buying it in bulk.
We have vegetable beef soup that's been on the menu for years and years and years, and we sell it by the quart. And it's wonderful, it's delicious. You can taste that it's homemade.
So it's not just the steaks that people come to Naifeh's for. The customers we talk to have lots of suggestions.
I came in here to get a Firehouse burger.
How is it?
Fantastic. It's the best burger in town, hands down.
Good soup and salad bar, and I really haven't had anything on this menu that wasn't good. Their hamburgers are good. It's all good here.
Consistency is the word to describe Naifeh's through the years.
If I order my steak rare, it comes out rare. If my wife orders it medium rare, she gets a medium rare, and that's what I like about this place.
It's going to be very tasty food, good food, generous portions, and fair prices. That's what my dad used to say. Coming through Guymon, stop and say hey.
In Guymon at Naifeh's Steakhouse, I'm Lauren Nelson for Discover Oklahoma.
Here's how to find out more about this great Oklahoma destination. As always, TravelOK.com is your best one-stop shop for information about all Oklahoma has to offer. Please press like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.